number 4, what are the inf of x is equal to 3x to the 7th minus 5x to the 5th plus 2x squared plus 7x minus 1? Justify your answers. So when we're talking about inflection points, we're looking for two things to happen. Either that our second derivative is equal to 0 or is undefined, and there has to be a sign change of that second derivative. So we start with our function f of x. We can find the first derivative and the second derivative pretty quickly because this is a pretty easy polynomial. So our first derivative is going to be 21x to the 6th minus 25x to the 4th plus 4x plus 7. Our second derivative is then going to be 126x to the 5th minus 100x to the 3rd plus 4. Now we want to know where this second derivative is equal to 0. We don't have to worry about it being undefined because it is a polynomial. So use your calculator to help you out here since it's a calculator question. Plug it in, look at the graph, and find where it crosses the x-axis. So I have it in the calculator here, and if I graph it out, we'll see that it crosses 3 times. So the values of these those three x values are going to tell us where the inflection points are. Not only are they equal to 0, but we can also see that there's a sign change. It goes from negative to positive, positive to negative, negative to positive. We can also write that out on a number line. Now if you use your calculator, you can find these exact values of these zeros, and what they're going to be is negative 0.914, 0.363, and 0.863. And then we can fill our sign changes on here. It's going to go negative to positive to negative to positive. At each one of these we have a sign change and the second derivative is equal to 0. Therefore, all of these x values are inflection points. So we could sum this up by saying there are inflection points at x equals negative 0.914, 0.363, and 0.863 because f double prime of x equals 0 and there is a sign change.